Oké, we staan even op een heel mooi plekje. Heel mooi plekje.
Bosque de Piedras.
Bosque de Piedras. We're on top of the world.
Cotahuasi a la Canyon.
4,100 meters high.
We climbed up for 2 hours straight. Totally out of breath, almost nauseous. And now we're fine.
And here's the commentator again.
Very happy that we did it.